I'm just a girl. I told my husband that I wanted a new vacuum. This was at the front door. He texted me, all excited. Your vacuum's here, so let's unbox this and see what he bought me. So I have a Shark vacuum already, and she works fantastic. I got 3 dogs, long hair, so you know dog hair is the issue. And I have dog hair balls. I'm just a girl. It's nap time. And if that baby wakes up, it's game over. Shark, cordless, powerful above floor cleaning. What the fuck does that mean? Above floor? Like the ocean floor? No, I'm just playing. XL capacity. And a headlight. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I'm wearing a microphone. This is the way to my heart. And this is why we're married. It's because I didn't want to spend the money. So he spent the money. I'm a stay-at-home mom. So it's like his money, but it's our money. You know what I'm saying? Won't be needing that. Too right. Ooh, that's nice. Look at this. That's nice. Alright, here's the money. I'm gonna take it out. Bitch. Bitch. Okay. That. That's good. That's also good. The bristles. We got an extra little dude out there. Oh my. Goodness. Okay, we got the power. We got this. That you know you're ready to vacuum. I got carpeted stairs. That was another reason why I wanted it. Because I'm not legging a big ass vacuum to vacuum stairs. Nothing wrong here, partner. With a baby, we gotta be lickety split. If you can't get shit done in 5 minutes, don't even do it. Wait till nap time, which is what I did. What I did. She was sleeping. And I knew this was gonna take me a long time. We're good. Okay, Shark. Out here looking like a Dyson. My mom has a Dyson. A stick one. It doesn't have a headlight. It doesn't have a headlight. So it just doesn't hit the same. The suck on that motherfucker be sucking. Just found this on the floor. I don't know what the fuck this is, but she's